Welcome back again to my channel. Today let's make a yummy jollof rice. So I started by blending all the ingredients I'll be using: the fresh tomato, garlic, ginger, pepper, and then I went ahead to fry my fish. So for the purpose of this food, I'll be using fish and kidney for the protein. So I went ahead also to dice the kidney into a smaller pieces and also fry it as well. So yeah, I'm done frying it and I'm taking them out. Now that I'm done frying all the protein needed, it's time to start frying all the blended paste. I started by frying my onion, then adding the paste little by little, putting everything and frying them together. At this point, I am done frying the tomato and it's ready for me to start the cooking proper. So I went ahead to place my pot on fire, adding water, the whole ingredients, the paste, and waiting for it to boil so that I can put in my rice and start cooking. On the other side, I'm frying my plantain. This we will also use to do justice to this yummy, delicious jollof rice. So I'm done adding all the ingredients, then cover the pot and let it boil for some minutes before I go ahead to add in my rice and stir it thoroughly so that the whole ingredient will marry each other. After stirring it properly, you taste for salt and other ingredients. After that, I go ahead to seal the lid with my foil. This is a must for me whenever I'm cooking jollof rice, coconut rice, or any kind of food that I need the heat to be sealed inside, because it's not the fire that cooks the food, rather it's the heat from the fire that cooks the food. So this foil is very important and is a must in every home if you want your food to cook properly. So guys, at this point, the food is almost done. Don't worry, you will get to know why I said it is almost done. Meanwhile, look at the face of that food. You need to be here to see the aroma coming out from this plate. So I went in with the remnants of my ingredients and also the carrots, the green peas, and my kidney. Of course, my babies are here. This is their own duty. Mothers, you have to do the needful. So we are doing the cooking together. So they won't let me cook in peace. You have to settle them before you can continue with whatever you are doing. So I'm checking the food for the last time. At this point, the food is well cooked. So I'm going to give it a last stir. And our food is done. Like done. Look at those bubbles. Look at those bubbles, right? The video is not doing justice to the color of this food. No. You will know I'm not telling a lie by the way my baby is looking at this food, right? Guys, the food is ready. It's so ready. So I'm giving it a proper stir. I want everything to go in, go in and cook properly. I don't want some parts testing another part. You know what I mean? So guys, I'm done giving it a good stir, and at this point it's time for me to start dishing it out to my amazing family. Come on guys, look at this yummy good. So guys, hope you enjoy the process of this our meal. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, okay? And of course, I cannot eat without you guys, so I'm dishing this one purposely for my lovely family. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a beautiful day. See you in my next video. Bye.